Hey guys, I'm Ben Myers and I run Myers Woodshop, and this is my application to be on Making It. So come on inside, I want to show you my workshop. This is where I do all of my creating. I'm best known probably for my color pencil stuff. If you look over here, one of the things I've done is a giant color pencil sign, and this is the form I made, and this is about 4,000 color pencils. If you check out my YouTube, you can see a video of that. I also do a lot of CNC stuff. I'm kind of working on some Lego things, a little design with a laser. I'm doing maybe a custom game board. And then I also have a 3D printer. We do a lot of 3D printing. Kind of printed a little figure, one of these. Did some of my logo as well.
We were playing in this room.
This is my kids. This is Fisher, he's 6. And that's Deacon, he's 2. Can you say hi to these guys?
Hello.
Hello. They love to be in the shop. One of the hot sellers on my Etsy shop is this Christmas tree ornament. So I make a bunch of these colored pencil Christmas tree ornaments. Also, we design these signs. This is cut out on the CNC, but we design it. This is Michigan. Let me take you over to the CNC. That's where I do a lot of my work nowadays. This is the Shea Poco. I've got to design everything I do and then cut it out on here. We ripped down a barn on my friend's property, and we like to use a lot of old barn wood, so this will probably be a sign or maybe a serving tray. Actually built this half of the shop this year. I opened up that shop, and I really wasn't much into woodworking commercially kind of at the time, but now I've gotten so big to where I needed a little bit more room for a lot of the tools that I'm able to have. You might be surprised to know that woodworking is not my full-time job. I'm actually an exterminator with a local pest control. I made our entertainment center. I made our dining table. I made this American flag. I made this dresser for my second born. I made this star decor. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys consider me for being on Make It too. We'll see you later. Bye.
Bye. I'm making it.